Today I want to make a review about a Turkish grinder. Here's our grinder. It's completely made in Turkey, completely metal, and it's 4.2 inches, and it can grind almost everything. Pepper, white pepper, black pepper. There is no plastic, no any other material. It's completely metal. And first of all, I want to disassemble this grinder to show you all details. So for the beginning, we should open the top screw over here, then handle, then the down screw. To open down screw, you should open the bowl at first and push here, then okay. Now we disassemble all the parts, and this is the mechanism, the blades, metal blades also inside of it. So the parts are body, blades, down screw, screw and handle, and also bowl. So you can use it also without bowl. You can directly grind it to your meal, or you use the bowl, then you can put your spices to your meal. Here we assemble again, it's so easy. I am putting the screw again, then handle, then top screw. And also, I want to show you something more about this grinder again. You see this screw? It arranges the size of your grind. So if you tie it really hard, it makes the spices fine. If you open it a little bit, it makes it coarse. So first I will make it coarse and maybe medium level. Here I close. Now I will grind some pepper for you. Here, actually, black peppercorns. Now I filled it, I closed. As I told you before, you can close or open. I will open it because I want to show you directly how this grinder is useful. It's really easy and really fast. You can see it's medium size. It's not so coarse, not so fine. It's really good. And let's arrange the top screw to make it finer. Here, as I showed you before, I'm tightening the screw and closing it again and putting some peppercorns, black peppercorns again here. Yes. Now it's like a dust, as you can see.